welcome back to another video. We are just leveling out some ground that got very mucked up in the winter. My dad had planned to use the tractor, but that did not work, so he was going to use a bar, so instead he has to use the quad, which is working out quite good. And he got some clay out of the ditches, and now we are just leveling it out. My dad is just going up and down because it got very mucky in the winter.
This is it leveled off, so it's not too bad. We'll put a little bit of grass seed on it now over the summer, and once the rain comes. So just we took the rough off it, gave it a level out. We probably should have shown it before we done it, but it was deep tracks from the feeding sheep in the winter, so at least now this just leaves it some way back to normal, and hopefully then it won't happen next year. So thanks for watching, and chat to you all very soon.